Modern U.S. warship was involved in an incident Monday in the Pacific. The USS John S. McCain accidentally collided with an oil tanker east of Singapore. The tanker had some damage to its bow, but no one on board was hurt and there was no oil leak. But on the McCain, there was significant damage to the ship's hull. There was flooding in some of its compartments, and 10 American sailors were missing after the collision. Now, the U.S. Navy is facing questions about its readiness. This is the fourth Pacific accident that a U.S. ship's been involved in this year. Yesterday, the Navy ordered an unusual one-day pause in its operations while officials look at leadership, training, procedures, and equipment on American ships in the region. The Navy, like the rest of the U.S. military, has been grappling with budget cuts in recent years. A Navy spokesman says America has enough ships and aircraft available to cover all current missions despite the recent